Hello students, I am Isha Nagarata. In today's video, I am going to discuss numericals related to cross product, dot product of vectors, divergence, curl and gradient. So let's start with the first one. So here we are given two vectors. The vectors given are a bar, that is vector a is equals to 5ax plus 4ay plus 3az, and b is equals to 2ax plus 3ay plus 4az. We have to find a dot b and the angle between a and b. Now in this numerical, what do you mean by ax, ay, az? Ax, ay, az are known as unit vectors in the positive x, y and z directions respectively. Let's just start with a dot b. Now I know that I have two vectors a dot b. I can write it as ax bx plus ay by plus az bz, or what is ax? So I have 5 into 2 plus ay, that is 4 into 3, plus I have az, that is 3 into 4. So the answer is 34. Now we have to find out the angle between a and b, the vectors a and b, and that is, we know the dot product a dot b is equals to AB into cos theta. What is AB? It is known as the magnitude of the vector AB. How do we find out AB? So for finding out A into B, I will be writing A is equals to, it is just written as mode of A bar, that is equals to 5 square plus 4 square plus 3 square, which gives me the answer as under root of 50. Similarly, I can write B is equals to B bar, that is equals to, I have 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square, which gives me the answer as 29. So now I can simply write cos theta is equals to, I have A bar dot B bar upon AB. So this is 34 upon under root of 50 into under root of 29. So this gives me the answer of cos theta as 0.892, and this is 26.7 degrees is the answer. So let's move on to the second numerical, which says that there are 3 points given as 2, 5, minus 1, 3, minus 2, 4, minus 2, 3, 1. We have to find RAB into RAC, that is the dot product of the unit vectors, dot product of the position vectors and the angle between them. So let's just start with finding out RAB first. So RAB is equals to, is given as, you have 3 minus 2 into AX plus you have minus 2 minus 5 into AY plus you have 4 minus minus 1 into AZ. This gives AX minus 7AY plus 5AZ. Similarly, let us find out RAC. That gives us minus 2 into AX plus 3 minus 5AY plus 1 minus minus 1 AZ. This gives us the answer as minus 4AX minus 2AY plus 2AZ. So now we find out RAB dot RAC. This can be found out as, we have RABX RACX plus RABY dot RACY plus RABZ RACZ. So this gives us, what is RABX? You have 1 into minus 4 plus minus 7 into minus 2 plus 5 into 2. So this gives us the answer as 20. Now we know that RAB dot RAC is equals to RAC into cos theta. So now I just find out RAB first. So RAB is mode of RAB. That can be found out as I have 1 square plus minus 7 square plus 5 square. This gives me the answer under root of 75. Similarly, I find out RAC as under root of, I have minus 4 square plus minus 2 square plus 2 square. So this gives me the answer as under root of 24. So now what do? I simply find out cos theta. So what will be cos theta? So cos theta will be dot product of RAB into RAC upon RAC. So I have under root of 20 upon under root of 75 into under root of 24. So this gives me the answer of theta at 61.8 degrees. This is how I solve this. So the next numerical is two vectors are given as 2ax plus 2ay plus 0az and b is equals to 3ax plus 4ay minus 2az, and I have to find the cross product of a and b. So to find out the cross product of two vectors, that is a cross b, we can write it as ax, ay, az. Then we can write it as ax, ay, az and bx, by, bz, and I have been given the values, so I just write the unit vectors as it is. Then what is ax? It's 2, 2 and 0, and this is 3, 4 and minus 2. So I can just write a cross b as ax into 4 minus 0. Then I have ay is equals to 2 into minus 2, that is minus 4 minus 0 plus az into 8 minus 6. So I get the answer of a cross b as minus 4ax minus 4ay plus 2az. This is how we solve and we find out the cross product of the two vectors a and b. Now let's move on to one more type of numerical wherein we have been given two vectors. We have to find the angle between these two vectors by using dot product and cross product. So I'll divide this question into two parts. First, we'll be finding out the angle theta by using dot product and then by using cross product. So let's start. So the first thing I'll do is I'll just find out the magnitude, because for angle either dot product or cross product I would require AB. So to find out AB, I'll first find mode of A. That will give me the answer 3 square plus 4 square plus 1, that is under root of 26. Similarly, I find mode B, that is under root of 2 square plus 5 square, that gives me the answer 29. So this implies that AB can be written as under root of 26 into 29. Clear? Now I'll start using the dot product. So the dot product says that A dot B is equals to AB cos theta. Now how do we find out A dot B? We find out A dot B by using the method AX BX plus AY BY plus AZ BZ. So I'll just write it directly. 3 into 0 plus 4 into 2 plus 1 into minus 5, that gives me 3. Clear? So now I can write cos theta is equals to, I have 3 upon under root of 26 into under root of 29, which gives me the answer of cos theta as 0.109. So theta I get is around 86.7 degrees. This is the answer I have obtained using dot product. Now for using cross product, I'll have to first find out what is A cross B. So for that, what do is I have AX, AY and AZ. I have 3, 4, 1, 0, 2, minus 5. So the first thing I have here is, so I can write A cross B as minus 22AX minus 15AY plus 6AZ. So now I'll find out A cross B. 22 square plus 15 square plus 6 square, that gives me the answer 745. Now I know A cross B is equals to AB into sine theta. So I have sine theta as under root of 745. I'll write A into B directly. So it is under root of 26 into 29. So we get sine theta value around 994 and theta is equals to 86.7 degrees. Now let's move on to one more category, that is finding the gradient of a function phi is equals to 3x square y minus y cube z square at 1, 2 and minus 1. So we are given a point and we are given a function. We have to find the gradient of this function at the given point. So let's start and I'll write the first equation of gradient as, so we write gradient of phi as del phi by del x into ax plus we have del phi by del y into ay plus we have del phi by del z into az. Now we'll find out del phi by del x first. So what is del phi by del x? We can write it as 6xy. What is del phi by del y? So this can be written as 3x square minus 3y square z square. And what is del phi by del z? Minus 2y cube z. So I have obtained del phi by del x, del phi by del y and del phi by del z. Now let's move ahead. So gradient of phi can be written as, I have the term 6xy. So I just write 6xy into ax bar plus 3x square minus 3y square z square into ay minus 2y cube z into az. Now I have been given a point. The point is 1, minus 2, minus 1. So 1 is the x coordinate, y is minus 2 is the y and minus 1 is the z coordinate. So I'll substitute and I'll find out the gradient. So you have 6 into 1 into minus 2 ax plus I have 3 into 1 square minus 3 into minus 2 square minus 1 square into ay plus I have 2 into minus 2 cube into minus 1. So this gives me the answer minus 12ax minus ay minus 16az. The answer. Let's move ahead and find out. We have been given vector A as x square z ax minus 2y square z square ay plus xy square z az. We have to find divergence of this vector at the point 1, minus 1, 1. Let's start. So we know that divergence of a vector, it is given as del ax by del x plus del ay by del y plus del az by del z. So first let's find out what is del ax by del x. So that is 2xz. Similarly, del ay by del y minus 4yz square and del az by del z can be written as xy square. So I have divergence of A, that is equals to 2xz minus 4yz square plus xy square. Now I have been given the point 1 minus 1, I can write divergence of A 2 into 1 into 1. I have minus 4 into minus 1 into 1 square plus I have 1 into minus 1 square. So this gives me the answer of divergence of this vector as 7. I hope the sum is clear. Now let's move on to the next type wherein we have to determine the curl of vector fields. Now we've been given two vectors. We have to find out the vector curl of vector A is equals to yzax plus 4xy ay plus yzaz. And the second vector is given as 2xy ax plus x square plus zay plus zq. Let's start. Now in this question we have to find the curl of two vector fields. So I'll write the curl of A. It can be written as A bar x, A bar y, A bar z. I have del by del x, I have del by del y and del by del z. Here I can write yz, that is ax, then 4xy, that is ay, and y, that is az. So this can be written. So I have ax plus into ay plus 4y minus z into az. So this is the answer of the first one which I have been given. Now I take the second vector. So I'll find out curl of A, that can be written as A bar, ay, az, del by del x, del by del y, del by del z. You have 2xy, x square plus z and z cube. So this is equals to 0 minus x square. Then we have minus 0 minus 0 plus you have az 2x square minus 2x. So we have the answer as minus x squared ax plus, I just take 2x common because here I have 2x squared z minus 2x, so I just take 2x common into z minus 1 into az. The y term, the ay term, unit vector y term would be 0 because it's 0 minus 0. So multiplied by ay gives us 0. So this is how you find out the curl of a vector field, wherein here in this numerical we have discussed two different vector fields. So today we have seen some numericals which are related to vector product, the dot product. We've also found out curl, divergence and gradient. Hope you have understood these numericals. Thank you.